2023 is just around the corner, and you're probably wondering, how can I make money online that's not active? Because you already have a 9-to-5 job. You don't want to spend so much of your time trying to create another stream of income every single day and keep worrying about it, right? So you are watching the right video. Hi, my name is Vanessa, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 passive income ideas you can do for 2023. So passive income basically is you create something once and you constantly get sales from it, no matter where you are, even if you're not actively working on it. So you could be asleep, you could be in Hong Kong, you could be lying on a beach in the Bahamas, and you still make money as long as it's on a web page, as long as your buy link is, actually takes people to, a checkout page. As long as those things add up, you're going to make money from it. So let's continue. But before we go to the first one, please please subscribe, so that I know that you liked this video and that you enjoyed it, and also it really helps me, and so it helps you stay in tune, because there are going to be a lot of awesome videos that are going to come to you in the next few short days. All right, let's go. The first one, create an app. Okay, so if you're not one of those tech junkies, you're probably screaming inside from agony, or maybe it's not that dramatic, but you don't have to be a tech junkie in order for you to create and sell an app. You could go to freelancer sites and get someone to create an app for you. So it varies on what you want the app to look like. So you can pay anything from $50 to $1,000 for an app. And then you sell it on iOS or Android. Now they're not going to give you, some of the freelancers are going to give you a framework. Some of them are actually going to build and create the app for you. It doesn't matter what people say. Fiverr is a freelance site. So you can literally find anything on it about absolutely anything that you want. Trust me. You could find a freelancer for almost any topic. So where there's a will, there's a way. Just remember that. Number 2, create and sell a digital product. Now, you must be squirming right now, like it seems very daunting, but it's really not, because it's quite simple and clear to the point. Now, let's say you are great at music theory, and I know there's some people thinking, who's good at music theory? I commend those people who are really good at it, because music theory is a headache. Anyway, I digress. Back onto what I was saying. You are good at music theory. Why not create an ebook about it and then sell it? And how you do it is you go to Facebook groups around a particular topic or niche that you're working on. Like, let's say for music theory, you go to guitar groups or piano groups or anything that does music. And you say, hey, come to my group, because I have got a lot of awesome things for you. Don't directly sell, because it's honestly very sleazy and no one's going to take you seriously, and everyone is really doing it. So nowadays people are like, oh, okay, that's that kind of person just wants to directly sell to a cold audience. No, don't do that. The best way to do it is you create a Facebook group, and then you gradually give people that ebook, and then you sell it to them. Now, how you sell the ebook, you could sell it on your website, or you could sell it on Gumroad, you could sell it on Samcart. Honestly, there's so many ways to sell an ebook or a course, but this is the simplest way to go about it without the heartache. All right, now we're going to number 3. You sell art or photography online. Now, for all those creative people out there, this is a perfect opportunity for you, because there's so many sites that want art. There's so many sites that want, photos, black and white photos, artistic photos, portraits. So you sell that, right? You sell your nature photos, you sell your, I don't know the styles of art. I did art years ago, but anyway, you sell that and you make money from it, okay? It's that simple. It's that simple. Number 4, rent out your car or your room. Now, if you're thinking about the safety issues or the damage issues, don't worry. With your car, when you put it on a platform, people will pay damages if your car is damaged. So honestly, you don't really lose anything. If your card gets damaged, that platform is going to pay damages. So you've got nothing to lose. The same thing with your room. You're not going to lose anything because, one, they're paying you the money. So whatever damage happens, you're still going to fix up the place because you have the money. The money is coming in. So you don't have to worry about, okay, it's going to come out of pocket. No, the money is coming into your account. And the good thing about this is the money is going to constantly come into your account as long as your room or your wing is on something like Airbnb. Same thing with your car. You could also rent out your garage space or your parking space. The sky is the limit when it comes to renting out places. So you could literally do that. By the way, click below because I've got a Facebook group that you can join where I teach you a lot about starting a business, side hustles, growing a business, all that jazz, if you're interested. Okay, now on to the last one. Okay, are you ready for this? I hope you're ready for this. The last one is a game changer. You start a blog or YouTube channel. I know, gas, right? Here's the thing. A blog and a YouTube channel is basically are channels where you can get your message across and you can literally do anything with it. When you've got a blog, you can do affiliate marketing, you could do an ebook, you could do a course, you could sell, an app. There's so many things you could do, even with a YouTube channel. You could get paid by people just watching your YouTube video. Obviously, of course, you have to get past the threshold, which I'm still working on. But after you get past the 1,000 mark, you can make money from people just simply watching your YouTube video and looking at the ads. I mean, how incredible is that? How incredible is that? Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. And until next time, please stay tuned, hit that subscribe button so that you're always notified whenever a new video comes on. Thank you, bye.